Hi, day 14. How to fix mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. How to fix your mental health also is how to recharge your batteries. Take a rest day, reset, and just take an off day. An example, me and my family, or my family and I, we do HIIT, high intensity training at home. With these times of COVID and lockdown, it's just easier just to work out at home. So it's the same with working out. You need to have a rest day. It's the same with everything. To perform and to achieve and to enhance productivity, you also need to sometimes slow down and recharge to make sure that you are at your peak performance. So, for example, we work out Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday we have a rest day. It's also our cheat day where we eat a lot of carbs and sometimes even take a beer, or if you are for that, or eat candy. That Wednesday is our rest day. And then Thursday and Friday we work out and we eat very healthy again. And then the weekend we rest again. Maybe this isn't the way that you would like to do it, but remember to take a rest day, take a day off. And even in the other days, take time for yourself, maybe 10 minutes, maybe half hour, maybe an hour of you time. Taking care of yourself, taking care of oneself is the most important thing, or else you can never be a high achiever or have high performance results. It is where you make sure that you rest and recharge. So, day 14 of how to fix your mental health in 30 days is recharge your batteries and take a rest day. Take care, stay safe.